Then we have type of transmission. Okay. So we have basically three types. One is the simplex, duplex. Okay, you can say modes of communication also. Not duplex, half duplex. Simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Okay. What is simplex? What is simplex?
One-way connection.
One-way communication. Any example for one-way communication?
So,
Walkie-talkie, how come one-way communication? Walkie-talkie, two people are there, two people can communicate, they can talk to each other. Think of one-way communication. You have it in your daily life.
keyboard and monitor
Keyboard and monitor
are simplex.
are simplex. Okay. No, I'm saying in your daily life, in your daily routine. Forget the computer right now. Television. You see live news, right? Only the anchor is speaking, you are listening. Means anchor is the sender of information, you are the receiver of the information. What if you start shouting at the anchor? Will he listen? No. Why? Because that is only one-way communication. Your FM radio. The Ajay is sitting in the station, delivering the information, playing the music. But the other way, we cannot send the information. That is again one-way communication. So that is a type of simplex communication. One-way communication only. Okay. An example, FM radio. Then half duplex. What is half duplex? In case of half duplex, we are going to have two-way communication. Example, your walkie-talkie. In case of half duplex, we have two-way communication, but there is a problem. At a time, only one-way communication will be possible. Okay, so you'll say two-way communication, but only one at a time. Like your walkie-talkie. So in the case of your walkie-talkie, when one person is speaking, second has to listen. Okay. So your example will be walkie-talkie. Then we have full duplex. Okay. So in case of full duplex, what will happen? We have two-way communication at all the times. In simultaneous two-way communication we can have. So you can say two-way communication simultaneously. Example, your normal call. You can speak and listen at the same time. Your phone call is a two-way communication or full duplex communication. This thing is clear? Okay. Now, in case of half duplex, what will happen when both sides starts communicating at the same time? Let's say you and your friend have a walkie-talkie and you both start speaking at the same time. What will happen? Collision. Collision will happen and none of you will get any information. Same thing happens here. If both the nodes try to communicate at the same time, there will be a collision.